One reason that I really love Clarkson is the opportunity to make a lot of different friends. From the moment I stepped on campus, I felt like really at home. Everyone welcomed me. As a transfer student, it might seem a little scary to make new friends, but everyone took me in. It was so easy to make friends, and I have friends in a bunch of different groups. I have my club volleyball friends, club basketball friends. I just have class friends. I have like friends of all groups, so it's extremely nice to have a wide variety of people to talk to, people to hang out with on the weekends. Another reason I love Clarkson is the hands-on work opportunities that we get here. So in the Ray School of Business, we have a lot of different opportunities to work with businesses. So the class that I'm in right now, we got paired with a business. We listened to their strategic issues, and then we came up with strategic plans to solve those issues, and then we pitched that back to the business. There's also many different classes in the School of Business where you make your own business plan, and then you have an opportunity at the end of semester to pitch those businesses to investors and potentially get funding to run those businesses in the future or currently. I also love the location of Clarkson. Family is very important to me, so I love that I'm only 25 minutes away from my dad and family. And on campus, we have a lot of woods in our backyard, so there's always wildlife around. There's always deer on campus that you can go see. A lot of squirrels. The campus squirrels are crazy. They'll get very close to you, but it's so funny. And there's also a lot of hiking trails around here. We have multiple trail systems on campus. Right in the back 40, there's miles upon miles of walking, biking trails that you can go use as a student. So that's a big benefit to coming here.